Hey friends! Who's hungry? If you love crawfish, you will love this ooey gooey hot-baked crawfish dip. In a large mixing bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of dried mustard, 2 sliced green onions, 1 clove of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of shrimp boil, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 8 ounces of cooked crawfish tail meat. Mix the ingredients together on low until combined, then season with salt and pepper. Spread the crawfish mixture into a small baking dish or pie plate. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes, then top the dip with an additional 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and bake until the cheese is melted and bubbly, about 10 minutes more. Serve the dip hot with crackers or crostini.